www.ndizitv.net asokotonyora chinsa emerongo ebere na inye amatuko atano na bere ye wiki amajeni kutuko ya chaka kurua ase bunge ye senate ase engana erengete county ya Nyamira asumu gavana we county Nyamira Amos Nyaribo abagawikirana abosio we bunge ye senate kuiraneria amabolio au anemono igoro yobokoleri we serikali ye county ya Nyamira ase aboli wa amaboli ya kolengana nobotumeki wechibesa nabo igoro yokwena kwa makabesa yechinyomba aliakorokunga mortgage loans nigo ekamati ye senate yabageko moachinsa bose amatuko atano naberego chia ase county bose serikali county ya Nyamira ikora uno governor we county eyo Amos Nyaribo kuyanelia amaboli ayo anemono igoro yengana erengete amabolio igoro yokwirani wa wechibesa bose obosangere wa wechibesa tiria chiebango.
Have you paid them their gratuity? What is the status of that?
We have not paid anybody the gratuity.
And why are you then not considering deducting from that gratuity?
Because they have to give consent. That's a law. Or she consents. That's why I said we are trying to persuade them to give consent.
Which law is that, Bwana Governor? Could you provide?
I'm not a lawyer, but you cannot access pension.
I'm talking actually about gratuity because gratuity is paid by the county.
Omogeni can assist me.
Okay, Senator.
The loans we are discussing and the loans that are not recovered, Chair, I want to bring it to your attention that there are loans that were in the period before this committee. It was the previous committee that approved these loans, not the current committee, Chair.
The committee noted that the Nyamira County Executive Mortgage and Car Loan Scheme Fund was irregularly established based on regulations drawn from the national legislation, contrary to the provisions of Section 1161 and 1169. The governor, through the county executive committee member or in charge of finance, to submit to the committee and the office of the Auditor General for verification evidence of remittance of fringe benefit tax to KRA, ETR receipts for the car loan and mortgage fund within